San Diego County is seeing a spike in whooping cough cases, and health officials want to get the word out on how people can protect themselves.
And Fox 5's Jason Sloss is live at Rady Children's, where doctors have seen numerous cases lately. Jason?
Yeah, Maria Andrew, we talked with an infectious disease specialist here at Rady Children's to get that vital information, all the details about pertussis, also known as whooping cough. It's a serious deal. He also highlighted the jumping cases around the county.
We saw 12 cases in September, and then we saw 57 in October, and it looks like we're on pace to possibly beat that in November. For Rady Children's in particular, we had 9 positive tests just here in the past week, and we do have 1 patient that required hospitalization.
Yeah, that patient, a young boy, still in the ICU here, so whooping cough cases on the rise, something to watch out for. Doctors say the most at risk are children under 6 months, especially newborns, those who haven't had a pertussis vaccination. While children typically get the sickest, the elderly and those with chronic conditions are also at risk. It's a respiratory illness, an infection in the nose, throat, gets into the lungs. Health officials say it can really be hard to detect in the first week as it starts off like a regular cold.
The classic case of pertussis is really all about the cough. So what starts as a common cold sort of starts to progress into, as the congestion is fading, the cough is just getting worse and worse and worse. And you're having these long bouts of cough where you feel like you can't catch your breath. The weather brings us closer together, so we're seeing an increase in all the respiratory illnesses. Flu seems to just be arriving. We're definitely into our RSV season. So the same precautions, hand washing, staying home if you're feeling sick, will help us contain these infections and stop their spread.
And he says that's important because it's contagious and symptoms can go on for months and months. Also, vaccines, antibodies, they're available. So people are urged, anybody who comes down with this, to take advantage of those. County health officials say the pandemic, all the health precautions helped keep the number of cases down. And so we're seeing the first significant spike since the pandemic, and the last pertussis death reported in the county. We haven't seen one since 2016. Live at Rady Children's, Jason Sloss, Fox 5 News.